In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Asana admin console. 5 minutes. If you manage people, policies, or payments in Asana, this is your home base. I'll show you where everything lives and how to move with confidence. First, log in to your Asana account using an admin-capable profile. Otherwise, some options won't appear. In the top right, click your profile photo or initials. From the drop-down, choose Admin Console. You'll land in a dedicated view built for organization management, separate from your day-to-day projects. On the left, the sidebar is your navigation hub. It groups the core areas so you can switch quickly without losing context. If you get lost, return here. Every major control is a click away. Start with members. This is where you oversee everyone in your organization, view members and guests, invite new teammates, and remove or deactivate access when someone leaves. Use search to find people fast and confirm their roles so permissions match their responsibilities. When you adjust access, consider project ownership and task assignments to avoid orphaned work. Keeping your roster clean and current reduces surprises later and speeds up onboarding. A quick periodic review here pays off in security, clarity, and smoother collaboration. Next, open settings for general organization configuration. Review your organization name and domain, set sensible defaults that guide how teams work, and align preferences like time zone and privacy. Use this area to keep things consistent so new teams and projects inherit the same standards. Before changing a global setting, think through downstream effects on existing teams and templates, and share a brief announcement so everyone knows what changed and why. Then head to Billing, which is available to billing owners and admins. Here you manage your subscription plan, seat count, invoices, and payment method. Check seat usage before upgrading. Freeing an unused seat may be all you need. If billing isn't visible, you likely don't have billing permissions, so coordinate with the person who manages your subscription. Keep renewal dates and invoice contacts up to date to avoid interruptions, and save invoices in a shared location for easy access during budgeting or audits. That's the tour. Log in, open the profile menu, enter the admin console, and use the left sidebar to navigate members, settings, and billing. Move carefully, review changes before saving, and communicate updates to your teams. With these basics, you'll keep your Asana organization secure, organized, and ready to scale.